So it is currently day 6 of NaNoWriMo and I'm slowly starting to lose my sanity, but that's fine. Totally fine. I have hit over 11,000 words already, so I feel very proud of myself. If you're interested in seeing any of my NaNoWriMo vlogs, I will have them linked at the end of this video, so you can check out what I'm doing. But for now, this week we are planning with the Fairest Farmhouse kit from Whimsical Plans. It's very fall-like and gorgeous, which is pretty perfect because fall is finally starting to come to Maryland, even though it is raining cats and dogs outside, but we do have a fox in the spread, so maybe it'll work out. So without further ado, let's get planning.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We've fallen apart, still we hold together. We've passed the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know. Guess this is all we Guess this is all we know. Never face each other. One bed, different covers. We don't care anymore. Two hearts still beating on with different rhythms. Maybe we should let this go. We've fallen apart, still we hold together. We've passed the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know. Falling apart, still we hold together. Past the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan for me. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. This is the first of 4 fall kits for this November and I am so in love with this first kit. It looks so cute in my planner. I have some apples downstairs, so I'm definitely gonna get some apples after I finish filming this. And then maybe a little bit of tea. I don't know, but this is so cute. I love the fall vibes that it's giving me, and I marked all my word count goals for NaNoWriMo for this week. I actually have met the first one, so I can check that off. Feel very accomplished about that. But yeah, I love this week. This is from Whimsical Plans, so I will have her shop link down below if you're interested in getting this kit or a similar kit to this from her site. She makes amazing kits. I can't say that enough. And look at that foil on this kit. Look at the foil. Oh my god, wait. Why is this not? Yes. 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 Foil for the gods. foil for the gods. So cute! So as I said, don't forget to leave a comment down below of what you like from this spread, and I will shout you out in next week's video. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So if you've already seen my November sneak peek video, then you already know what's coming up. But if you have not, one, go watch that. But since you made it to the end of this video, I will still tell you anyway. I will be using these stickers from Michaels to make a no Etsy kit week in my planner next week. And so these are like some happy girl stickers from Michaels. This is meant for the happy planner, but as most of you know by this point, most happy planner stickers will fit in the Erin Condren. So I will be using the fall girls for next week, and there are so many fall stickers here that I'm so excited to use. And I just love the girls in the sticker kit, and I totally want to get some of their outfits because they're so cute. So if you're interested in seeing why I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!